Okay, so this video is to go over directional terminology. Now remember, the directional terms are always used in pairs because they're comparisons to each other. So here I have one of my small muscle men models, and you see I've thrown a few labels on there. So we have A and B, and if you look down at the paper, it says A is blank to B. So what would be a proper term there? A is superior to B. That would be an appropriate term directionally. How about C and D? C is over here in the armpit, and D is in the center of the chest. So a word that would work correctly there would be C is lateral to D. If I wanted to reverse it, I could say D is medial to C. All right, my last example on this model is down here on the lower leg. And remember, the arms and legs use different terminology. We can no longer say superior and inferior. Instead, the proper terms are proximal and distal. So E is here and F is here. So since E is closer to the attachment point of this limb, E would be proximal to F, and F would be distal to E. Now, ones I don't have represented here are anterior and posterior, obviously more to the front and more to the back, and superficial and deep. But this is just an example on how those questions would be asked.